Thank you for tuning in to your daily Wallops weather briefing for Thursday, January 7th. We're seeing some mostly sunny skies out there this morning finally after seeing cloudy skies all week. These sunny skies helped our low to finally drop down to what we were more expecting this morning with a low of 27 degrees seen at Wallops. We're going to continue to see mostly sunny skies throughout the day today, and then seeing clouds slowly increase in the mid and upper levels as we go into tonight. Taking a look at our surface analysis across the area this morning, we are seeing high pressure settled in across the region, helping to give us some fairly light winds as well as aiding and giving us those mostly sunny skies that we're seeing out there today. Still going to be seeing temperatures very similar to what we have been seeing all week for our high, only expecting a high in the low to mid 40s today, which will continue over the next couple of days. And then we're going to be keeping an eye on this system here that's across the deep south. It is expected to pass mainly south of the Delmarva. We are going to be seeing just a slight chance of some isolated to widely scattered light showers tomorrow and into tomorrow night. Not really expecting too much in the way of accumulated precipitation, just a couple hundredths of an inch. Maybe even a snow flurry mixing in late Friday into early Friday night. But not expecting any sort of impactful weather with this system. Let's take a look at our satellite across the region. There you see mostly sunny skies finally across the entire mid-Atlantic pretty much, and just seeing some low-level clouds near 3,000 feet associated with that colder air moving over those relatively warmer Chesapeake Bay waters. You can start to see some of that system we're expecting tomorrow here across eastern North Carolina with those clouds increasing. These clouds will continue to stream towards our area today, and then seeing them increase in the mid-levels as we go into tonight. Taking a look at our upper-level winds this morning, we are seeing northwesterly winds pretty much across the entire column once again. Seeing winds just above the surface at around 25 knots, but definitely not mixing down whatsoever, as we've had winds only around 5 to 10 knots or so at the surface. We're seeing winds increase from around 15 knots at 3,000 feet up to around 30 knots between 9 to 12,000 feet, and then continuing to steadily increase up to around 60 to 65 knots at the 25,000 foot level from the west-northwest. Seeing a freezing level this morning around 1,000 feet. Taking a look at our forecast for today, going to be expecting a high of 44 degrees early this afternoon under partly cloudy and mostly sunny skies. Northwesterly winds will increase just a little bit late this morning into early this afternoon at 7 to 12 knots, and then weakening to 5 to 10 knots by the late afternoon period, and weakening further to 3 to 8 knots for much of the overnight hours before shifting northerly at 5 to 10 knots around sunrise tomorrow and into the mid-morning. We are expecting another low below freezing tomorrow of around 28 degrees. Taking a look at our terminal forecast, going to be seeing a few clouds near 3,000 feet around the area this morning, maybe becoming scattered by the afternoon with some cirrus starting to move to the area by the mid-afternoon period. And then seeing some mid-level clouds start to move into the area after sunset, and especially after midnight, where we'll see skies become scattered at 15,000, broken at 18,000, broken at 25,000, and then seeing some clouds between about 8,000 and 12,000 feet move in just before sunrise, with those mid to upper level decks becoming broken to overcast. Just seeing a slight chance of a shower after 6 a.m. I think the lower levels of the atmosphere are going to be pretty dry, so it's going to, if any rain does fall, it's going to have a hard time making it to the ground. But still looking at just a slight chance of a sprinkle, possibly between 6 a.m. and 8 a.m. We are still seeing tides 1 foot above normal along the Delmarva Atlantic coast, and that should continue at least for the next couple of days. Let's take a look at our long-term weather model to show you how the pattern will be progressing over the next several days here. This afternoon. There's that system we showed you on the surface analysis, and we'll track that as we go into tonight. That's going to be approaching the mid-Atlantic region, and that's going to be what's going to cause our increase in mid-level cloudiness tonight and into tomorrow morning, and giving us a slight chance of a sprinkle early tomorrow, and then seeing a slightly higher chances of some showers by the afternoon and evening for tomorrow. Does look like it's mainly going to be Rain. There is one or two stray models out there that's dropping some snowflakes, but it's certainly possible to see one or two snowflakes mix in with the showers late tomorrow and early tomorrow night. But right now, it looks like this system's going to be shunted far enough and just not have enough cold air to really give any sort of snow to the region. We're really not going to see too much in the way of accumulated precipitation either as we go through Friday night. As we go into Saturday, we're going to see high pressure move in, bringing in a drier air mass to the region. It's going to be chilly as well. Temperatures in the low 40s and under partly cloudy to perhaps mostly sunny skies for a weekend, especially Sunday. Sunday is going to be a pretty cloud-free day, just with some chilly temperatures out there with that cold high pressure in control. As we go on to early next week, Monday is going to be fairly similar to Sunday under partly cloudy skies with high pressure right overhead. Should be some very light winds on Monday. And then we'll be watching our next system approach the area. It does look like it's going to be on a better trajectory than we were monitoring yesterday to see some rainfall. Not going to be seeing any chances of snow with this system either, but it does look like we are going to be seeing a fairly decent chance of some scattered shower activity as we go into Tuesday, and then this system should be then moved out of here by the middle of next week, seeing some more drier air moving into the region. So taking a look at our 7-day forecast, partly cloudy to mostly sunny today with a high of 44, low of 28 degrees tonight. Tomorrow we're going to be looking at some isolated to widely scattered light showers with just a high of around 41, only around a 30% chance of seeing some accumulated precipitation. Saturday we're going to be seeing a low of 29 and a chilly high of 42 under partly cloudy skies. Mostly sunny Sunday with a high into the mid-40s, and you see some cold lows Sunday and Monday morning down to 26. Monday is going to be another high down of 46 degrees under partly cloudy skies, and then Tuesday we'll have our next weather system impact the region. Going to see an early low Monday evening of 34 with temperatures slowly rising, it looks like, throughout the overnight hours in advance of that Tuesday system, which is going to bring scattered showers with a high of 49, and then seeing another high of 49 Wednesday under partly to mostly cloudy skies with a fairly mild low of 34. That will do it for your daily weather briefing. Have a great day.